Hello friends, good morning to all of you. Welcome to e-learning program of Modern English School, Kunti Nagar, Nevada. I am Dharam Prakash, your mathematics teacher. Today we are going to discuss chapter 9, division of decimal fraction. And in this chapter we will discuss division of decimal fraction by a decimal fraction. Okay, so take one example. Divide 16.578 by 5.4. Okay, so now solve this question. So solution. So method 1. So 16.578 divided by 5.4. 16.578 divided by 5.4. So now in this question, first of all we have to change decimal fraction into a fractional number. Okay, decimal fraction into a fractional number. So first of all we have to change this decimal fraction into fractional number. So count the decimal place. So here is 1 2 3 place of decimal. So write in numerator without decimal. So 16,578 upon 1000. Put 3 zeros in that denominator because here is 3 place of decimal. Okay, and now divide. Here is 5.4 and this decimal fraction change into fractional number. So here is 1 place of decimal. So right here numerator without decimal 54 by 10. Is it clear? So now 16,578 divided by 1000 and change the division sign into multiplication sign. So here is multiply and this part is reciprocal. So reciprocal of 54 by 10 is 10 by 54. 10 by 54. So now cancel out. Now multiply 16,578 by 5400. Okay, so now we can write 16,578 upon 5400 and we can write 54 into 100. 54 into 100. So now divide 16,578 by 100. Okay, so this is 165.78 and divided by 54. So now here is decimal fraction, numerator is decimal fraction and denominator is a whole number. So now we can divide decimal fraction by a whole number. So 54 divides 165.78. Okay, so 54 3 ja 12, 2 carry 1, 5 3 ja 15 plus 1 16 and now subtract. This is 3, this is cancel and this is cancel out. So shift the decimal here and here 7 and 37 is not divisible by 54 because 37 is less than 54. Okay, so put here 0 and put down 8. So now 7 times 7 4 ja 28 carry 2 and 7 5 ja 35 plus 2 37 and now subtract. This is cancel. So remainder becomes 0. So our required answer is, our quotient is 3.07. So our required answer is 3.07 and this is your required answer. Okay. Now same question, solving this question by second method. Okay, so now this is divisor and this is dividend. So divisor have how many place of decimal? So divisor have one place of decimal. For making a whole number by shifting the decimal point in one place. Okay, so shift the decimal after one place. So 5.4 is make a whole number 54, and now shift the decimal after one place. So this is 165.78, and this is new dividend and new divisor, and divider is decimal fraction and divisor is whole number. Okay, and now divide 54 divides 165.78. okay, and same process. So our required answer is 3.07. okay, is it clear? Now we have to solve some questions of exercise 32. So first question is 1.5 divided by 0.3. So 1.5 is a decimal fraction and 0.3 is also a decimal fraction. Okay, so now before solving this question, first of all we have to change the divisor, and divisor is a decimal fraction, and change into a whole number by shifting the decimal. Okay, for how many place shifting the decimal to make a whole number? For one place of decimal, here is one place of decimal, so decimal point shift after one place from left to right. For divisor make a whole number, decimal fraction makes a whole number. Okay, so first of all here decimal point shift here, so this is 3, and now dividends have one place of decimal, so shift the decimal after one place from left to right. Okay, so this is 15. So this is new dividend and new divisor. So now divides 3 divides 15. So 5 3 is 15. Now subtract, this is cancel and this is cancel. So our required answer is 5. 5 is our required answer. And next question, question number 2, 6.4 divided by 0.4, and both have one place of decimal. So by shifting decimal after one place to make a whole number. Okay, so this is 4 and this is 64. So now divide, and this is new dividend and this is new divisor. Okay, so solve. Divide 4 divides 64. So 4 bun ja 4, and this is now subtract, this is 2, and write down 4, and 6 4 ja 24. Now subtract, this is cancel and this is cancel. So our required answer is 16. So required answer is 16. Okay, is it clear? So now next question, question number 3, 4.9 divided by 0.7. 4.9 divided by 0.7, and both have one place of decimal. By shifting a decimal after one place to change a whole number. So this is by shifting the decimal after one place. So decimal place shift here, and this decimal place shift here. So this is 7 and this is 49, and this is new dividend and this is new divisor. So now divide 7 divides 49, and 7 7 ja 49. Now subtract, this is cancel and this is cancel. So 7 is our required answer and 7 is our required answer. Is it clear? Now next question, question number 4. Here is 44.1 divided by 2.1. Okay, so first of all we have to change decimal fraction by a whole number. Okay, for making a whole number, shift the decimal point after one place from right to left. So this decimal fraction change into a whole number. So after shifting the decimal, this is 21 and this is 441. So now divides 21 divides 441. So 21 to ja 42. 42. Now subtract, this is 2 and this is cancel. So put down 1 and 20. 1 1 ja 21. Now subtract, this is cancel. So our required answer is 21. Okay, and in this question 2.52 divided by 1.2. 2.52 divided by 1.2. Okay, so here is 2 place of decimal and here is 1 place of decimal. So by shifting a decimal after one place, so decimal fraction change into a whole number. Okay, so by shifting one place of decimal, so this is 12, and now by shifting here one place of decimal, so this is change 2.52 change into 25.2. okay, and this is new dividend and this is new divisor. So now divide 12 divides 25.2. so 12 to ja 24. This is 1 and this is cancel. Shift the decimal here and write down 2. 12 1 ja 12. Now subtract, this is cancel and this is cancel. So our required answer is 2.1 and this is your required answer. And next question, 315 divided by 1.5. 315 divided by 1.5. So 315 is a whole number and 1.5 is a decimal fraction. So we have to change divisor, and divisor is a decimal fraction, and change into a whole number. Okay, so by shifting one place of decimal and decimal fraction change into a whole number. So this is 15 by shifting one place of decimal. So now here shift the one place of decimal and this is 315 change into 3150. Okay, now divide and this is your new dividend and this is your new divisor. So now divide, 15 divides 3150. So 15 to ja 30. This is 1 and this is cancel. So put here 5. 15 1 ja 15. Now subtract, this is cancel, this is cancel. Put here 0 and 0 times this is 0. So our required answer is 210. And now today we are today's homework is do exercise 32 question number 1 to 7. Okay, is it clear? Thank you.